Hey guys, I think I found it. Woo. We have white tulips, everyone. Hey guys, time check 7 p.m. and today is Tuesday, 27th of October. So we're going to visit one of the tulip farms here in Edendale. It's owned by the company Triflor. Fortunately, one of the workers in Triflor is my running friend, Ruud. Ruud told me that one of their paddocks are in Tramway Road. So unlike yesterday, that we really don't know if they allow outsiders to go inside their paddocks. But now we have the go signal and we're taking advantage of it. So let's go. Did you know that there are more than 3,000 varieties of tulips? And the different colors of tulips hold different meanings. Let's say, for example, the red tulips. They represent true love. Wow. And the yellow tulips, they represent hope and cheerful thoughts, or as a get-well gift. Let's go with the white tulips. These are used for an apology flower. And the purple tulips, they symbolizes that somebody is your everything. And you probably will say, Sana all. Did you know that you can buy a house with a tulip? Yes, a tulip and a house. Well, in the Netherlands, this flower became a status symbol, and it contributed to one of the world's first financial economic bubble known as tulip mania. Amazing! Did you know that tulips are edible? The Dutch learned this during the Hunger-Winter famine of 1944, when the Nazis cut all the imported food from entering the country. Luckily, most of the country's tulip bulbs haven't been planted, so the government published a guide on how to properly prepare those bulbs. Well, one child described it as tasting like a sawdust, but it's better than nothing, aye. Did you know that the Philippines has a tulip garden? If Cebu has 10,000 roses, Layugan Garden in Bukay Abra boasts 10,000 tulips. Okay, fine. It's LED tulip, not an actual flower. But at least it lasts year-round, compared to a 1 to 2 weeks on a real tulip. Not bad. So that's it for our tulip farm tour. If you like this video, please click like and comment down below. And if you're into adventure and travels, please consider subscribing to my channel. There will be lots more of videos like this and lots more of videos of adventures to come. And don't forget to click the bell notification button so that you will be notified whenever I release a new video. So, from Edendale, New Zealand, from this beautiful tulip farm, I'll see you then.